Hi guys, this is my bike check on my Sunday Gary Young AM bike. Yep. It's actually a complete piece of crap. I much would have rather preferred Kink to Sunday. I've never even heard of Sunday. It has all these Odyssey parts on it, whatever Odyssey is. It just doesn't seem good at all. I'll start with the frame. Wait, I already said that. Okay, I have Odyssey twisted pedals. I don't know. It says twisted, if you can see. Probably not. I don't know what Odyssey is at all. I think Mission on Kinks or Shrapnel on Sapien bikes are way better. But, I have these forks. They are welded preload thread insert forks. And they're double wall rims on both. And they have I have to look at the computer here. I don't actually know the name of it. But the tires are I think they're Odyssey tires too. There's not really a specific name for them. And the handlebars are Sunday extra large bars with Odyssey Gary Young grips, if you can know. And then the stem is Sunday. An Odyssey seat with this weird hole. It has this weird hole in it. I don't know why. I don't know what that does. It looks really stupid. That's why I want a Kink, because Kink, I bet this ruins the bike seat. I mean, I don't even know what that does. And I just have 3-piece cranks. I don't think they're an actual kind. If they're Odyssey, I don't know. They must be crap. And I have Odyssey Quick Slick brake cable. I don't know. It has all these Odyssey parts, and I just don't really want them. Sunday seat clamp. And just seat posts. I don't know. It's probably Odyssey too. I mean, complete poop. And here's the sprocket. I would have preferred a black eye or something much more than a Sunday. I mean, do you know where I'm coming from? Like, look at this. It looks nice, but, I mean, it just doesn't ride nice. And the hub is, like, it's just so quiet. I mean, I just want to poop on it. It's my bike check. Post on the wall thing for any ideas. And I'm just gonna try to get better parts on it. I mean, maybe I can get some shrapnel parts from Sapiens, or maybe some black-eyed parts on it. I don't know. If you have any suggestions, just post a comment saying maybe what parts I should get, and if Sunday is an actual good bike company. I mean, they have a good name and everything, but I don't know. It seems like a no-name. Got this off Dan's Comp. They gave me a free t-shirt. I don't know what Dan's Comp is either. Sounds unprofessional. I usually shop off the house to get bikes. Yeah. Alright. Goodbye.